Hey guys. In this video we are going to show you how to send snaps without showing media upload. If you want to send snaps without showing the media upload tag, here is how you can do it step by step. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone, and make sure you are logged into your account. If you do not have one yet, it only takes a minute to sign up and create a new account so you can get started. Once you are in the app, look at the top of the screen for the search bar. Tap on it and type in media upload. Snapchat will show you several different community-created lenses that are designed to let you add media from your phone's gallery. Now, browse through the options and pick the lens you prefer. Each lens works slightly differently, but they all give you the ability to bring in photos or videos from your camera roll. When you select one, it will open up the lens interface, and you will be able to choose a picture or video directly from your gallery. After selecting your media, it will appear on your screen as if you have just taken it with the Snapchat camera. This is the trick, because instead of looking like an uploaded memory, it looks like a fresh snap. From here, you can edit it just like a normal snap, add stickers, text, filters, or even draw on it to make it more fun. When you are happy with how it looks, tap the shutter button and Snapchat will process it as a brand new snap. Finally, tap the send arrow, choose your friends or story, and send it. Your snap will go out without the from camera roll or media upload tag, making it appear like you just took it in real time. And that's it. With this quick method, you can share older moments or saved clips on Snapchat while keeping them looking fresh and authentic. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.